touch if you want.
Cool.
Come on in.
Neat. Oh, wow.
Yeah, just kind of blocking it out. I'll get a smaller saw here in a minute. But I ran out of room for the big saw, and I'll switch.
Yep.
This has a smaller tip right there. It's kind of fun. You gotta be precise. Then we get a chance for one mess up, and then that's it.
Yeah.
Don't mess up so loud.
Like if you was doing an abstract piece, it wouldn't matter, but something this detailed,
Yeah, you're exactly right, because you could hide it.
Yeah.
You can always hide your mistakes in abstract stuff.
Yep.
You just turn it into something else. But yeah, overcuts here are kind of critical. We only got one shot at it. It's fun though. Sometimes if it's really, if I want to do a real detailed sign, I'll measure it and be real precise. But this, I just let it flow. Sometimes I'll just write the letters with the saw. But it's fun. That's the best way for creativity, just let it flow.
Yeah.
It's whimsical.
Yes.
Nice handlebar, buddy.
Oh, thank you.
That's awesome. I've entered beard competitions when I go carving. There's one in Cedro Woolley if you're ever interested.